enjoy living an active, healthy lifestyle, but as anyone with diabetes knows, managing my glucose levels can still be a challenge. I love that my FreeStyle Libre 2 system gives me the real-time optional glucose alarms without scanning. Alarms trigger when my glucose readings cross the levels I've set, letting me know when my glucose is too high or too low. Talk to your doctor about how to determine the high and low glucose levels you need to stay within your target glucose range. Setting up the alarms on your reader is easy. Just follow these simple steps. There are 3 real-time alarms: low glucose, high glucose, and signal loss. Go to the home screen and touch the gear in the top right corner to get to settings. Next, touch Alarms. And then change alarm settings. Then select which alarm you'd like to set. We'll do the low glucose alarm. Touch Low Glucose Alarm. Then touch the slider to turn the alarm on. The default range is set at 70 to 180 milligrams per deciliter. You should consult with a healthcare professional to determine your individual target glucose range. In this case, you will receive a low glucose alarm if your glucose falls below the level you set. Now we'll set the alarm sound and vibration levels. In the Settings menu, touch Sound and Vibration to see your options. You can choose on or off for system sounds, which includes your alarm sounds. You can also set the volume level. Choose on or off for vibration. When the alarm sounds or vibrates, the reader alarms for about 1 minute. If you ignore the alarm, then you'll receive the alarm again in 5 minutes if the condition still exists. Touch Dismiss and check glucose to accept the alarm. Then scan the sensor with the reader to see your glucose reading and take the appropriate action. The same process applies for setting and receiving high glucose alarms. For me, the FreeStyle Libre 2 system with real-time alarms are very helpful. And the nice thing is, it's your choice to use them. Alarm, scan, act. With feedback from alarms, you can spend less time in high or low glucose and manage your target glucose levels. Spend more time doing the things you want to do with the FreeStyle Libre 2 system. Learn more at freestylelibre.us.